we're about to walk through a case study of a client of ours, Colin, who was able to get to 210K per month. Yes, that is a lot of dollars per month, using the power of micro offers and everything to come through it at the same time as well. So walk me through a little bit, right? Like 210K, what I would love to learn from you today, and I'm sure what other people out here would love to learn too, is like a little bit about you, a little bit about the offer itself, and a little bit about how you guys run, what you guys do, what the promise is for the people that you work with. So give me a bit of a background as to what it is that you do, who for, and what's the promise you guys make for them as well.
Yeah, man, absolutely. So I'd venture to say that our demographic / niche is probably on the more difficult side of things to crack, in the sense of organic content, for a couple of reasons. One is that majority of our demo is, late 30s, 40s, 50s. And so it's a much different, just a much different awareness when it comes to how people text and things along those lines. Mm-hmm. And then number second is the variance in our offer. And so to give everybody a little bit of background, so I run, co-founder of two different organizations. One is Stealth Media. One is a company called Pain Solutions IO. So Stealth Media, long story short, started as a done-for-you marketing agency for physical therapy clinics. Then fast forward, we had some niches like some chiropractic. COVID hit, we went done with you, went to high ticket, built marketing system in-house. Fast forward to about a year or so ago. Save you guys the gory details, but we then started manufacturing our own medical equipment and then supply these clinics with. So we help them with the marketing. We supply the equipment that they then market for. And so it all kind of comes along. And so all that to say, one of the big reasons, and this might kind of go in a few directions to answer your question, that I initially reached out. And in reality, I reached out either in the sense of I messaged you guys or I was just liking all your shit. Okay. We have lived and died a couple times, by paid ads. And we'd gotten to a good level, but I had this damn group of 4,000 clinic owners. I'm like, I don't know what in God's name to do with this thing. And I know it's like we're just leaving that to shit. And then I saw a lot of these things that you were posting, that Ferris is posting. Like, clearly these guys know what they're doing and not from a gimmicky marketing sense. And if there was some group of people that could help me crack our industry, in the sense of we're not dealing with people that are super hungry and money hungry and high ticket salesy, but it's like conservative doctor, patient kind of thing. I'm like, that's when then I reached out to you guys, and it's been fantastic. I know that was like a little bit of a background, giving you guys a shout out, but that's as best as I can give you.